Hello, melanated family. Welcome once again to Africa Lately. News coming in indicates that Rwanda has deported 18 Chinese nationals for mistreating Rwandans working under them and then grabbing farmlands from locals. Rwanda's strongman leader Paul Kagame said the Chinese nationals took advantage of Rwandan workers and made them work for unduly long hours like slaves. Mr. Kagame is quoted as saying, "Africa is a peaceful continent. We don't tolerate discrimination here, or are we welcoming to be slaves again? This country is for Africans, and those who mean well for us are always welcome. I am deporting those 18 Chinese back to their country and never to return. Rwandese must enjoy their rights in their country," he said. Then Mr. Kagame goes on to say that no one would be allowed to feed off Rwanda's resources and then abuse the rights of its citizens at will. He added that let this be a lesson to all other people who want to live and work with us. Respect us and we will welcome you with our good hearts. Unquote. Actually, Chinese mistreatment of African laborers is widespread across the continent. Juan Pablo and Heriberto Araújo are writers. In their book titled Silent Army, they note quite disturbing trends in Chinese business behavior in Africa, including a hostile attitude towards trade unions, various violations of workers' rights, poor working conditions, and several instances of discrimination and unfair labor practices. Many Africans are hailing Mr. Kagame for standing up to the Chinese and protecting the rights and dignity of his people. And they are hoping that other African leaders will rise up and send a strong signal to the Chinese or any other groups with similar aims of disrespect towards Africans that Africa has had enough. Thanks for your time, family. See you again soon. Bye for now.